Sparkly, are you
Birdie,
upset?
don't growl. You just took the skunk from the dog.
What do you think of that, Birdie? Did she take your toy?
You just took it from Birdie. Why don't you give it back?
You don't know what to do you, Birdie? Did you get your toy back, Birdie? Hi.